Hey everyone, just wanted to give a quick tour of the house. I know that there have been some questions. Well, I received a question about seeing more of the house that you can get for that I get for $400 a month. It's really nice. It's a big house. It's way more than I need. You can see Bear here sleeping. It's actually been really nice here. It's been raining all week. It's been nice and cool. Anyway, to get back on topic, I just did a quick video of the house where I live. I'm renting. I signed a 6-month lease. I have the lease through October. However, I am leaving in September to go back to the States for a little while. We'll see how things turn out. I'm hoping that I can come back here in October to finish up, but I don't know. There's some things going on that I may not be able to come back. That said, I already have things that I'm pretty much giving everything away that I bought. I'm giving it to friends and people who live here and friends that I've made and people that I've met. I don't need it. I could sell it, yeah, but the way things are in these economic times, I think I give it to people who need it more than I do, or who could use it more than I will. So, it's not really beneficial to me to try and sell it. I can make a few hundred, maybe a couple thousand pesos, I don't know, which is not very much compared to how much I actually spent for it. So it's not worth the time, the headache, or the effort for me to try and sell it. So, and plus, in the States and Mexico, all over the world, the economy is pretty crappy, and I don't want to do that to people. It's like, oh yeah, I need to make my money back, or I need to. It's not worth it. I mean, it's easier for me just to give it away to people who need it or who could use it than try and hold on to it and make some money off of it. It's not worth it. Anyway, without further ado, I am now going to show you the house that I get for $400 a month here in Xalapa, Veracruz, Mexico. All right, enjoy. Okay, I'm starting off in my bedroom. I had to make the bed so that everybody could see. This is my bedroom. Here's Bear. He joined me because I just took a shower. Of course, he had to come upstairs. Got a big closet here. And then here is the master bath. I'm sorry if there's an echo. Here we have another bathroom in this hallway for guests. It's just a guest bathroom here. I also have the master bath. Very similar to the master bath, actually. Another bedroom. So not the best low light conditions here. Another closet there. I love this balcony here. Looks down into the living room. And the curtains closed because it gets really hot. Another spare bedroom. See, I have all these rooms and they're all empty. Why I rented this huge house for me and Bear, I do not know. If you wonder where these windows are going, these actually go out over my garage. That's actually the other bathroom across from here. And that's the garage down in there that goes into the kitchen. So another one of my, actually I really wish I would have done is put my TV up here. I had a little space right here. I suppose I still could. Now we go down the winding staircase. I do apologize, I'm trying to keep it steady. Here we have the dining room with no table, because I don't eat in here. I'll walk in here into the kitchen. Go to the right here, and you can see the living room there. Here I have my couch, TV, soundbar, speaker, fan, and then there's a little half bath here. Toilet there. Oop, I'll go back, and that's the garage as well. So we'll go back in here. This goes to the garage. Lots of natural light coming from a skylight up here. Very pretty. Now these were open. They're basically just wrought iron doors. There was a dog next door that was barking all the time, so my landlords put like sound dampening material on it for me, so it wouldn't echo through the garage. Not that that always helps, but this neighborhood's pretty noisy. It really is. For a secluded neighborhood, like basically in a cul-de-sac with security, there's a lot of noise and traffic back here. Dogs. So this, from my sink here, goes out to like a little utility area, and this ladder you see goes up to the roof to where the water tank, it's like extra water tank and gas tank are. There's a gas truck that goes through here, and they just go up there and with a hose and fill your gas tank up. But my gas nozzle is on the side of the house, so they can do it. Here's the dishwasher, not dishwasher, but the laundry machine, clothes washer that I bought. Everything you see here, all the furniture, all the like the refrigerator, here's another bathroom. This one's not finished. I mean, it's finished. It's usable. I mean, you can put a toilet seat on there and curtain up, and it works. Anyway, as I was saying, I'm sorry. All the stuff you see in the washing machine, the refrigerator, the stove, the microwave, my bed, my bedside table, the couch, the TV stand, fan, everything I've had to buy. That's one thing I would say, unless you know you're going to stay somewhere and you're going to be there for a while, don't buy furniture. I spent thousands of dollars doing that. A little storage cubby under here. It's just a waste of money. And now I'm going to try and have to sell it. Moving on, because I'm not going to stay here. You can hear the noise outside, just horns, honking, everything. And I live on a little street. Okay, so that's it, everybody. Thanks for joining me on my little quick house tour. Some comments were that they wanted to see the house, what it looks like inside. You know, for a house where I pay security and internet and electric, and I don't have to pay water, but anyway, it's a little over $400 a month, which is actually kind of expensive for here. That's a lot of house. I think that's one of the reasons I kind of I jumped into it, because I was like, oh man, this huge house, I got all this space, and it's so cheap. Yeah, that was a mistake. Don't do that. For just one person and his dog, no, don't do that. Anyway, well, thanks for joining me, guys. And if you liked it, hit like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.